Let's talk about how to make any hoop into a sectional hoop. Take whatever you're making and measure the circumference. Now divide the circumference by however many sections you want to create for your hoop. For 5 sections, you will divide by 5. For 4 sections, you will divide by 4. 3 sections, divide by 3. 2 sections, divide by 2. Determine the length of the sections from your math problem. Measure out and cut each section from the coil of tubing. Once you have all your pieces cut, you will need to perfect each end of each section. See our connection perfection video for a demonstration. You will now install the connector with the rivet side. You will need to do this first because the rivet will hold the insert in place while you are drilling the hole for the push button. We also recommend a guide for drilling the holes for push buttons. The guide is basically a 1-inch long piece of tubing that is one size larger than the hoop you are making. It has a hole drilled into the exact spot that you need to place the push button on your sectional hoop. You can slide this guide over the end of the section where you are installing your push button and then reconnect the sections. This will help you place the push button in the exact same spot on each section so that these sections will be interchangeable. Make sure the guide is lined up with the end of the tube and the hole is centered on the tube. And then you can drill the hole. Once you have your holes drilled, you are ready to install hardware at the connections. Please see our video covering Polypro hoop connections. We also recommend polycarbonate insert for sectional hoops. However, Polypro inserts will work as well. We do not recommend HDPE inserts for sectional hoops. Making sectionals is a more advanced hoop making technique and takes a lot of practice and patience. Good luck and have fun.